Guys, if you are like me and think good lighting is a key for getting stuff done, then you will love monitor light bars. One of the top brands in this space is BENQ, and they make some of the best monitor light bars out there. I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today I am going to review Screenbar PRO by BENQ, a monitor light that beats traditional LED desk lamps. Here are the things I am going to cover in this video: packaging and design, main features, setup and installation, and user experience. And of course, I will tell you about the things I like and if you should buy it. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Alright, let's go! Okay, so what is BENQ Screenbar PRO exactly? Well guys, this gadget is a USB-powered light bar that conveniently sits right on top of your desktop monitor, making it easy to see your screen clearly and comfortably. Let's open the box and see what's inside. By the way, before I open it, the first thing you see is that the packaging is made from paper-based materials, so it cuts out plastic and other unnecessary stuff. Next, when I open the box, we can see that there aren't a ton of complicated parts or pieces, just a few essential items that are simple to identify. There is the light bar itself. Friends, they offer them in two colors, black and silver, and it has a built-in USB Type-C cable too, with a decent length. On top of the light bar, you can see all the controls and monitor sensors. The mounting clip is foldable, and you can turn the light up and down to adjust the direction the light falls. Alright folks, there is also a USB-C port power adapter, and there is a quick start guide to help you with setup and the warranty booklet. That's it! I have to say that I like that the light bar is made of lightweight aluminum. It's easy to adjust and comes with a flexible plastic mount that fits any screen size. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Mates, setting up your Screenbar PRO is super simple. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get this light bar installed and ready to use. But let me walk you through this super simple process. First, take the Screenbar PRO out of the box and position it on top of your monitor. The light bar has a nifty design that allows it to securely clamp onto your monitor, so you don't need any complicated mounting or tools. Next folks, you will want to connect the USB Type-C cable to the power supply. And that's it, your light bar is now installed and powered on. So as you can see, it's really no fuss, no hassle, just a straightforward setup process that has you up and running in no time. Alright mates, I have been using this little gadget for some time now, so let me go over the features that I like the most. First of all, I love how bright it is and how much area it covers. I can confidently say it's way better than most desk lamps I have seen so far. It really gives you enough light to keep your eyes comfortable while you work or study. The Screenbar PRO fits monitors that are 0.43 to 6.5 centimeters thick and has a curvature range of 1800. Thanks to its clamp design, it works even with monitors that have special back designs or non-flat top bezels. It's really easy to set up and it won't block your camera lens. Honestly folks, I love this feature. This light bar has an inbuilt monitor sensor that detects movements within a 70 centimeter range, so it automatically lights up when you are nearby. If you step away for more than 5 minutes, it shuts off to save energy. So guys, it's convenient and energy efficient. We all know that glares on your screen can be super annoying. So another great thing about the Screenbar PRO is its unique design that stops screen reflection and direct glare. It lights up your desktop perfectly, making it easier to work and reducing eye strain. It's a fantastic way to boost your productivity and keep your eyes comfortable. This light bar sits directly on top of your monitor, which means it saves your desk space. Plus, it's powered via USB-C or with the included adapter, giving you flexibility on how you use it. What's more, I like the convenient function buttons right on the light, making it super easy to adjust. Folks, I can say that I used the Screenbar Pro light long enough to see how it's different from other monitor lights I used before. First off, it's super bright, probably the brightest monitor or desk light I have ever used. You can easily adjust the brightness and even the color temperature with the touch controls. Plus, the monitor sensor is a game changer. It automatically turns the light on when you are around and off when you are not, so you never have to worry about it. This feature has saved me from having to manually turn off the screen bar every time. Alright mates, and to wrap this review up, let me answer the big question. Do I think that BENQ Screenbar Pro monitor light is worth it? In my opinion, this gadget is a pretty good choice for most people, as it has all the features you would want in a monitor light bar. What makes the Screenbar Pro stand out? Well, it's incredibly bright, ensuring your workspace is well lit and easy on the eyes. And we all know how important that is when you spend a lot of time staring at your screen. Guys, another great aspect of the Screenbar Pro is its sleek and compact design. It won't take up much space on your desk and blends in seamlessly with your monitor setup. Overall, folks, the Screenbar Pro has all the right ingredients for a nice monitor light bar for me. That's why I highly recommend giving it a try and seeing for yourself how it can enhance your workspace and boost your productivity. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time!